Make O'Reilly Auto Parts your only car carrier.
Oh my God!
Need fast from the professional parts people at O'Reilly Auto Parts.
You're listening to Dallas-Fort Worth's #1 for news.
No. Oh, Jesus Christ. No. No. What did it do? Oh, freaking duck. Oh, Jesus.
Oh man. Oh shit.
Stuck in a timeshare. Get the real facts about the timeshare industry and your options for cancellation. Chuck McDowell, founder of Wesley Financial Group, has put together a free information guide that reveals the secrets the timeshare industry doesn't want you to know. At the next slide.
What do you get when you combine Randall's Fine Meats and Captain Avery Seafood? Well, you get the variety of Randall's, Captain Avery Seafood, and Specialty Meats, your one-stop shop for the finest meats, seafood, and catering in all of Northeast
What the fuck? Good job, people.
For 10% off. That's better. HELP.com/private play.
It's just sadly.
Box of what? See? This man just sideswiped my fucking car. All over. Gotta go around. Yeah. Yep, I have to go around. Go around.
that your real voice? Is that your real voice? Oh, that's funny.
Grew. I continued to face upward, looking at the underside of the beast. I screamed as my health flashed red. It's pulling me apart. Don't. A magic missile slammed into the monster's wings. It circled just above the tree line. It screeched angrily. At the same moment, I cast heal on myself as I pulled the holy gooper potion ball into my free hand. I smashed the sticky, holy water substance against the talon locked onto my chest. The foot sizzled as Sierra screeched yet again, its voice high and piercing. I was hoping it'd drop me, but it just pushed harder. Carl. Light! I pulled my second and last potion ball just as the new sun ascended. Yona had scrambled up one of the trees, and she emerged from the canopy like a wizard atop a mountain, tiara glittering in the new light. I attempted to heave the potion ball up at the dinosaur's chest,